Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. First, I have to tell you that a free VPN is not too safe to work with or view banned content, because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. So let's get started. As you can see, 2IP shows that I'm now in Poland, in Krakow. So open Play Store and try to find Turbo VPN application. Open application with a rabbit on the icon and tap install. Open it, choose start now, choose the cross on the right corner, and fine. Now on the right corner you can see the globe, and by clicking on it you can choose which country to connect to. For example, I want to connect to Germany, to Limburg, and tap OK. Wait a while and cool, you can see connected. But now let's check what 2IP says about us now. So open Chrome and reload page. Cool! The 2IP site shows that we are now in the Germany, in Limburg. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and goodbye. See you.